Get ready to embark with Gadget explained on an electrifying journey of innovation and precision as we unveil the extraordinary capabilities of the KAIWEETS ES20 electric screwdriver set. The KAIWEETS electric screwdriver kit weighs 720 grams in total. The screwdriver alone is 62 grams and measures 18 centimeters long and 1.5 centimeters in diameter. Its tubular body, made of metal alloy, features 3 rubber buttons for torque adjustment, lighting control, and rotation direction. The aluminum chuck is 1 centimeter long and includes built-in LED lights that can be easily turned on or off. For charging convenience, the KAIWEETS screwdriver has a USB-C port located on its backside. It takes approximately 1 hour to fully charge, and while quick charge support is not available, you can use the screwdriver while charging via pass-through charging capability. With seamless operation, the electric driver delivers adjustable torque and a speed of up to 200 revolutions per minute without any load. The RPM decreases as per the task's demand. Although it may not match the power of conventional electric screwdrivers, which deliver between 3 Newton meters and 5 Newton meters of torque, the screwdriver is ideal for delicate jobs like working with glasses and smartphones. Changing the rotation direction is as simple as pressing a button, and the intuitive button placement is reminiscent of a stylus pen. The KAIWEETS kit stands out from competitors with its extensive range of included accessories, providing excellent value for money. While it produces some noise, it is subtle and does not become annoying or distracting. Check out the following sound test.
You are releasing yourself.